This question has a lot of words here, but if you just take it slow and understand what it's telling you, then it shouldn't be too hard of a problem. So this is an artist earns a profit from selling Y paintings. So if I look at my equation here, here's the Y. That's the number of paintings he sells. So right there. And his profit, P in dollars, is modeled with the given equation. So P here is the profit. So this equation is telling us how much money he's going to make. So profit is how much you earn. And so here we read his profit is the difference. So subtraction. So here's that subtraction. The difference in the amount of money he earns from selling his paintings and the cost of making the paintings. So it's the difference between what he earns and what it costs him to make them. So that difference gives us the profit. So let's do this. Um, Profit is a positive number. So if you make money, that's a positive. Money you spend is a negative. So the positive part here, this is how much money he earns. So we have how much he earns here. And then it says the difference between how much he earns and the cost. So this is the cost. Difference in what he earns and what it costs. Beyond that, we really don't have to understand what these things mean because it just asks us which expression represents the cost of making Y paintings. Well, the cost we already identified as this piece here, so the answer would be B. Now, if you want to look at this a little closer, 200 times Y is the number of paintings he sells. That means that he's making $200 for each painting that he sells. And then there's this other 2325 here that we don't know what that is from. Maybe it's shipping and handling. I don't know. But we don't need to know. And then minus his expenses, and the expenses probably that's how much he pays for a frame and paint and things like that. So if you just break it down simply into what he earns minus what it costs and realize that the earning part is the positive part and the cost is the negative, then hopefully that's not too bad. So keep it up. You're doing great work. You will master the math.